Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial showing you guys how I achieved this look using the Pixi beauty products that I received. I showed the products in the video while I was doing this makeup tutorial, so I don't know what you guys think about this look. So I created this look using all the Pixi beauty products that I have in my collection. So I received the Pixi Beauty liquid fairy lights, so I thought it'd be nice to do a makeup tutorial for you guys. The one I used on my lids is actually called liquid fairy lights in passion lights. It looks like that, guys. Look at that, guys. It has a very nice subtle glow with a little bit of glitter to it, but not too obvious. I don't know but it's a very nice bronze glitter eyeshadow. Look at that, just one swipe. They are very opaque and they apply smoothly on the lids, which I really liked. I like the fact that the glitters are not overpowering, so you have them subtle on your lids that gives you that glow. I don't know if you guys can tell. From my lids. I have this I have the passion light on my lids, and the other one, I have this one on my lids right now. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they are very nice and they dry really quick and they apply smoothly. One swipe is enough for you to finish your look if you are just doing a cut crease. But I actually use two of these products. I use this my upper lids. The one that I used to cut the crease, if you can tell from my look, is this one called Sun Ray. So I applied Sun Ray on my upper lids. I'm just going to swatch that for you guys to see. This is Sun Ray. Sun Ray is like a yellow. Is it yellow? I'm not going to say yellow. I don't know how to describe it. It's like a silvery yellow. I'm not very good with describing colors, but it's like a silver yellow. It has a silver stroke yellow shift to it, and it dries down quickly just like the other one that I just showed you guys, and it has subtle glitter inside it as well. So they both dry down real quick and they apply smoothly on the lids. I don't know if you guys can tell right now. So those are the two shades that I'm wearing on my lids. The rest of the shades in the box are also the same. So I'm going to swatch Bare Brilliance for you guys. Bare Brilliance is like a coffee brown shade. I don't know if the camera is picking that up, but it's like, let me just say, like a coffee, yeah, it's like a coffee brown shade with glitter to it as well. It has a silver glitter shift to it and it makes it pop on the lids. So they all apply it smoothly on the skin, and I like the way they glue on the lids. Like, I don't know, maybe the camera is doing justice to this at all. They feel so good on the skin and I like them. So the next products in the box are the Pixi Petrol Glowy Gosma Duo. So these are highlighters, guys. I'm just going to swatch. Look at that, guys. Need I say more? The highlighter is like very opaque, very pigmented, so you have to be really careful with this, otherwise you might end up with too much, which is not a bad thing. So that means it's going to last you for a while, because they are very opaque and very pigmented. And this one that is called Delicate Dew is the one that I use to highlight my face. Is very nice. They are amazing collection. They are very opaque, well thought of, and very nice. And look at that, guys. I just don't want to say, I just don't want to go on about them, but I think the swatch is enough to tell you guys what I mean. So I really like them and I would definitely recommend them. So If you're interested in knowing how I achieved this look, please keep on watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, so I've already done my eyebrow using the Pixi brow powder right here. I just thought my eyebrow would take a long time, so I didn't bother to film that bit. I'm going to start with my eyes first as usual. So let's get started guys. I received the Pixi Beauty glow box right here, right there. So I thought it'd be nice to share the look that I create with you guys in case you guys are interested in any of the products in the box. So that's why I decided to share it with you, and you really want to know what it feels like before getting one. That's why I'm here to share what I think about the product with you guys. Start with this shade right here from the Pixi Beauty Willy Hung palette, this one right here. I'm going to use this as my transitional shade. I'm actually going to mix these two colors as my transitional shade. These two shades right here. Huda Beauty palette right here. I'm going to use this shade. I'm going to apply that on my crease. Beauty palette again. I'm going to take the black brow shade right here. I'm going to use that black brow powder, but I'm just going to use that to dip in the crease a little bit because I'm going to be doing a cut crease. I look so funny right now, but I'm just going to go back to the pink shade again right here. I'm going to use that to blend the crease seamlessly to avoid any line of demarcation. I'm going to take this shade and this shade. I'm going to be using these two shades right. So I'm going to use this to cut my crease. Liquid Fairy Light in the shade Passion Light. So next I'm going to line my eyes using the Pixi Beauty liner right here. I'm going to apply my lashes off camera and I'll be back guys.